They don't seem to have a straightforward online application for all their credit cards. Here are the general steps you likely need to take. 1. Explore credit card options on their website. Go to the South State Bank website and navigate to the Personal or Small Business sections, then look for credit cards. Review the different credit cards they offer. Note the features, rewards, APRs, and any specific benefits that interest you. They have various cards, including personal cards, rewards cards, low introductory rate cards, secured cards, and student cards, business cards, options with bonus points, cashback, and rewards. 2. Identify the card you want. Based on your needs and spending habits, determine which South State Bank credit card seems like the best fit for you or your business. 3. Contact South State Bank. Call them. The website often provides a phone number, e.g., 800-277-2175, to call for more information or to speak with a banker. Visit a branch. Locate the nearest South State Bank branch and visit them to discuss your credit card options and start the application process in person. Contact a banker, if available. For business credit cards, they specifically mention contacting a banker. This might also be an option for personal cards. 4. Discuss eligibility and application process. When you contact them, inquire about the specific eligibility requirements for the card you are interested in. Ask about the application process. They will likely guide you on the necessary forms and information you need to provide. This typically includes personal information, name, address, date of birth, SSN, contact information, employment and income details. 5. Complete and submit the application. Fill out the application form accurately and completely, either with the help of a bank representative or following their instructions if you can apply online for certain cards. Submit the completed application as directed. 6. Wait for a decision. South State Bank will review your application. The time frame for a decision can vary. Key takeaway. Unlike some banks with fully online credit card applications, South State Bank seems to emphasize direct contact. Your primary steps should be to explore their credit card offerings online and then contact them directly, phone or in person, to discuss your options and start the application process.